Hi there, I'm Jan from Lumnio, and I'm here today with another lesson about the calling functionality of the Lumnio app. In the previous lessons, we learned all there is about calling using our web app. In this lesson, we'll focus on the call history and your contact list. We'll learn how to see the detailed history of any call, we'll explore team calls, and I'll teach you how to set your favorite contact. So, let's get to it. We'll start on the dashboard again. As you may know from the previous lessons, this is where you can easily find your recent calls. But if you want to go more in depth, you need to switch to the Call History tab from the Assisted Support group. Here you can see every call you have taken ever. So if you're trying to find that one specific call from last year, you can search for it, filter for it, or simply scroll away. However, we're here today to look at the details of the call. Let's pick the one from the previous video to see more. As you can see, we have some more basic details here. But if we switch to the Media tab, we can see every screenshot, recording, and drawing we created during that call. I can even take a closer look and save a copy to my computer, or make some edits. But more on that in another video. But what if I want to know exactly what happened and when? Then I can switch to the Timeline tab to see a detailed log of everything that happened during the call. Pretty neat. But there's more. If you have the right permissions in your team, you can see not only your call, but every call that your team has made. And that includes the details, media, and even the timeline. So, now that you know everything about making a call and the call history, you're probably wondering who you're gonna call. There's a joke to be made here, but that would be copyright infringement, so I am not going to say it and I'll switch to the contact list instead. You have seen the contact list in the previous videos, but now we're taking a closer look at what it can do. First of all, it's a contact list. You can see people from your team, whether they're online and the last time you called each other. You can also directly start a new call from here. If you want to add more people to the list, you can do that using this button up here, and if you want to remove them, simply click the three dots here and choose the delete contact option. And if two people like each other very much, they can even click the little star next to each other's name to become favorite contacts. They can then quickly find each other on the favorite contacts panel. So that's everything I have to teach you about calling using the Lumnio web app. In this lesson, we've learned how to see detailed history of any call, we explored team calls, and we set our favorite contact. I hope you enjoyed this series of Lumnio lessons, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.